Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Now, what is HTML? HTML is a scripting language which we use to make a web page. It was first invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 with the invention of WWW, that is World Wide Web. In HTML, related documents are joined together by links. When we click on the provided links, we are directed to our requested document. The first topic is in this chapter is software that will be used in studying this chapter. There are different platforms where we can write our codings of HTML. Some examples may be given of Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime Text, Microsoft Front Page, Micromedia Dreamweaver, Netscape Composer, Microsoft Word, Visual Studio, etc. Next topic is text. Tags are the text surrounded by angle brackets. In HTML, everything within inside the angle bracket is counted as text. Some examples of HTML tags are HTML body tag, table tag, form tag, etc. Now, tags are further divided into two types: container tag and empty tag. Let us first know what a container tag is. Container text comprises of opening and closing tag. That is, the function of opening and closing are different. Example may be given of HTML tag, head tag, title tag, etc. Empty tags are those which does not require opening and closing tags separately. Example includes break line tag, horizontal line tag, image source tag, etc. Next topic is basic structure of HTML. The basic structure of HTML is given below. Doc type HTML tag, HTML opening tag, head opening tag, title tag, then we have to give the title of the page, then close the title tag, close head tag, body tag, then inside the body tag we need to write the contents of our web page. Then after writing the contents of the web page, we need to close the body tag and then the HTML tag. Now let us understand this what is the function of these tags. First, let us take up doc type HTML tag. Doc type HTML tag indicates that the document we are going to make is a hypertext document. Next is HTML opening tag. Signifies we are starting the HTML document. Then head opening tag indicates the heading of the document. Title opening tag gives title to the document. The name given inside the title tag will be shown in the title bar when we open the document in a browser. Body opening tag. Inside the body tag, we will write all components that we want to be displayed in the web page. Next is HTML closing tag, indicates that we are ending the HTML document. Next topic is body attributes. Body attributes refer to adding designs or color or style to the body. For inserting the body attributes, we need to write the code inside the body opening tag. Now, let us study the body attributes one by one. The first one is body background. The background attribute adds image as background of the web page. The rule or text for inserting background image in HTML is background equal to URL of the image. Next is background color. The background color attributes adds background color to our web page. The syntax of inserting background color in HTML is BG_color equal to preferred color. For example, body BG_color equal to red will make the background of our web page red. Next is font. The font attribute is used to make changes related to font to the web page. This includes changing font size, font color, and font style. In HTML, the font size ranges from 1 to 7. To change font size, font color, and font style, we need to give the following command. Font size equal to value, color equal to preferred color, type equal to preferred font style. Next is text formatting tag. Text formatting tags are used to make changes in the text inside the web page. This tag includes bold. For making a text bold in HTML, we need to write the B tag. The text in between the B tag will be bold and stand out against text around it, the same as in word processor. Next is italics. For making a text write in italics, we need to write the text inside the I tag. Also working the same way as the word processor, italics displays the text at a slight angle. Next is underline. To make a text underline, we need to write the text inside the U tag. Again, the same as underline in word processor. Note that HTML links are usually underlined and don't need the extra tag. Next is strikeout. For making a text strike out, we need to write it inside the strike tag. Puts a little right through the center of the text, crossing it out. It is often used to show that text is old and no longer relevant. Also works by using S tag instead. Next is small. Instead of having a set of font size, you can use the small tag to render text slightly smaller than the text around it, useful for displaying the fine print. Next is block quote. Defines a long quotation and the code is displayed with an extra white margin on the left hand side of the block quote. Next is subscript. Adds subscript to the document. To make it text as subscript, we need to write the text inside the sub tag. Next is superscript. Adds superscript to the document. For making a text as superscript, we need to write it inside the sup tag. Next topic is HTML image. This tag is used to insert any images in your web page by using image tag. Following is a simple syntax to insert image on your HTML document. Image source equal to image URL, then attributes list like border, width, height, etc. The image tag is an empty tag, which means that it can contain only list of attributes and it has no closing tag. You can set image width and height based on your requirement using width and height attributes. You can specify width and height of the images in terms of either pixel or percentages of its actual size. For example, image source equal to test.png, which is the name of the image we are inserting. Then width equal to 150, height equal to 150. Next is HTML list. The HTML list is divided into three categories. The first one is unordered list. An unordered list is a collection of related items that have no special order or sequence. This list is created by using HTML UL tag. Each item in the list is marked with a bullet by default. For example, doc type HTML, HTML, head, title, then unordered list, close title tag, close head tag, body, then UL, list, then value of the list that we want to show say for example pen, then close the list. Then next value pencil, then close. Next eraser. Then after writing the values or contents we want to put, we need to close the ul tag and then close body tag and then finally close the html tag. You can also specify the type of bullet by using type attributes such as square, circle, etc. when defining the unordered list. Next is ordered list. An ordered list is a collection of related items that have special order sequence. This list is created by using HTML OL tag. Each item in the list is numbered in a particular format. By default, it is numbered by 1 to 3 and so on. For example, doc type HTML, opening HTML tag, opening head tag, opening title tag, then give title of the web page, then close the title tag, close head tag, open body tag, open OL tag, then put the values or contents of our list, then close the OL tag, close body tag, then finally close HTML tag. Here you can also specify the type of bullet by using the type attributes such as uppercase, lowercase, alphabetic order, etc. when defining the ordered list. Next topic is definition list. Definition list arranges your items in the same way as they are arranged in dictionary. The definition list is the ideal way to present a glossary, list of items or other names or value list. Definition list makes use of the following text. DL, which defines the start of the list, DT, a term, DD, term definition, /DL, define the end of the list. Next topic is HTML links. You can put links in your web page to navigate through web pages or particular part of your web page. These links are also known as hyperlinks. A link is specified by using HTML tag A. This tag is called anchor tag, and anything between the opening anchor tag and the closing anchor tag becomes part of the link, and a user can click that part to reach to the link document. Following is the syntax to use anchor tag. Opening tag, then href, which refers to hyperreference, equal to document URL, which we are going to link with the web page, then attribute list, close the anchor tag, then link text or the text we want to identify as it is a link text, then close the anchor tag. Next topic is HTML table. The HTML table model allows authors to arrange data, text, pre-formatted text, images, links, forms, form fields, other tables, etc. into rows and column cells. Table element. The table element allows you to arrange and present data in rows and columns of cell. However, it can't do much without its supporting cast, that is, the table row, table data, and the table header. Table row. The table row element defines the rows of your table. The table row element already displays as rows. The tr element gives structure and meaning to a row. And a table can have lots of rows. Table data cell. The TD element defines the cells of your table and contains your data. Table caption. The caption element gives an overall title to the table. Table have two important attributes, cell padding and cell spacing. Let us first know what is cell padding. Cell padding defines the empty space around the cell content. Cell spacing defines the empty space between cells. Cell padding and cell spacing attributes. Cell padding and cell spacing are used to adjust the white space in the table cells. The cell spacing attribute defines the width of the border, while cell padding represents the distance between cell border and the content within a cell. Col span and row span attribute. Col span attribute is used to merge two or more columns into a single column. Similarly, you can use row span if you want to merge two or more rows. Similarly, the table border height and width can also be specified using the border height and width attribute inside the table tag. Next topic is HTML form. The HTML form tag element defines a form that is used to collect user input. Syntax of form tag is form tag, then elements of the form, then after that close the form tag. An HTML form contains form elements. Form elements are different types of input elements like text field, checkbox, radio buttons, submit buttons, and many more. The input tag element. The input tag element is the most important form element. The input tag element can be displayed in several ways depending on the type attributes. Next topic is CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. Cascading Style Sheet is used to describe the presentation of document. Define sizes, spacing, fonts, colors, layouts, etc. Improve content accessibility. Then improve flexibility. It is designed to separate presentation from content. Due to CSS, all HTML presentation text and attributes are deprecated. Example, font, center, etc. Next topic is style sheet syntax. Style sheets consist of rules, selectors, declarations, properties, and values. Selectors are separated by commas. Declarations are separated by semicolons. Properties and values are separated by colons. Next topic is using CSS. The style tag element embeds formatting informations into an HTML page.